Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn. Today I'll give you 5 toiletries packing tips to make your TSA airport experience smoother and better. TSA is the name of the US Airport Securities Authority, but this would apply to any country, any airports. And without these, you still may be able to pass through the security, but following these tips make your chances to not to cause any suspicion or take you out of the line to do additional inspection, which would waste another 15 to 30 minutes. So these are very simple and easy tips to follow. My first tip is to only use a Ziploc see-through bag like this. Do not use any bag like these or kind of these or these, which you can buy online or other retailers. Although they call these like TSA friendly or airport security friendly bags, but I have had this experience at many airports in the world that they made me take my stuff out of here and put it in a Ziploc bag like this. So I recommend not to use any other bags, only use see-through Ziploc bag like this. My second tip is do not put too many containers in the Ziploc bag. Try to take as less as possible so it looks like neat and clean. And if you have just only a few which you require, then it wouldn't cause any suspicion. My third tip is that not to put things like a toothbrush or razor or any items which do not belong in the see-through bag. This is only for liquids and you shouldn't be putting anything else in this bag. My fourth tip is do not put bulky containers like these, or there are other bulky containers in your quart size bag. Try to keep things like minimal, and then put in slim or small containers, and this makes things much better and smoother. So do not go for anything bulky and bigger or which just doesn't look right. So if you look at these, definitely this looks more minimalistic than these, and you have a better chances of not causing any attention with slim and small containers like these. My last tip is do not use any overused or any bags that are hard to see or dirty or almost very damaged. You should be using a new bag each time you travel, and this is a new Ziploc bag, and these are very cheap. You're not going to spend too much money. But if you're using a overused bag or anything like damage or any that hard to see what's inside, then you have more chances of someone is going to pull you out of the line to do further inspections, and you want to avoid that. So for the next travel tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.